Hi coffee lovers, today we're exploring the 51mm bottomless portafilter designed for Gevi espresso machines with 20 bars of pressure. This portafilter fits machines with 3 ears and a prong thickness of 4mm but is not compatible with DeLonghi models. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it offers durability, corrosion resistance, and a safe, eco-friendly design. The included fine-perforated filter basket ensures consistent and effective coffee extraction for a better espresso experience. Using this portafilter helps reduce channeling and coffee splattering by promoting even distribution of coffee grounds. Additionally, it keeps your machine's shower screen cleaner by preventing grounds from sticking. Make sure your espresso machine matches the portafilter specifications for the best results. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.